I am a huge advocate of technology, and everyone's heard of these ride-sharing platforms. You're using an app, you call the driver comes and picks you up. The payment, everything is taken care of right here. Seamless, smooth, easy. Everyone's heard of those, but have you heard of this sort of peer-to-peer car rental companies? One, for example, Turo. Now, because I'm just now diving into this concept, to be honest with you, I'm definitely not an expert, but here's in general kind of how it works. You can think of it as the Airbnb of rental car companies. So essentially, if I have a vehicle that I'm not using that much, anyone that's coming into my town or whatever can look up this vehicle on the app, rent it from me directly. As an insurance agent, I immediately kind of think about, okay, what does that mean for the person that is the host or that owns the vehicle, renting it out to other people? And then what does that mean for the person renting that vehicle from someone else in terms of insurance coverage? And what are the insurance carriers going to think about all of this? Because things change so rapidly, so quickly, I want to make sure that you understand that this is really me speaking in generalities based on what I could find on the Turo website in regards to what their insurance policy provides, and also what I know about our carriers and just in general. The reality is, it is very possible that if you chose to do this, your current insurance carrier could elect to drop you or non-renew you or just flat cancel you mid-term. It's very important that you talk to your insurance agent so that you can go over this together. Here are some things that you definitely need to consider before you take that leap, before you decide to list your vehicle. You got to understand that more than likely your own personal auto policy is going to exclude coverage if you're using your vehicle to rent to someone else. Essentially, that's a business, right? Your auto policy is one rated specifically for personal use versus you renting it to complete strangers who happen to be in your town. For the most part, tons of insurance carriers are going to absolutely just exclude coverage. The second thing to consider is if you're renting the vehicle from someone else, same kind of thing. Your vehicle, your insurance coverage may extend much like it would more than likely with any rental car, but are there going to be gaps and exclusions with regard to the physical damage caused to that rental vehicle? According to Turo's website, they have a policy in place that kicks in as soon as your vehicle is being rented and all of that good stuff, provided through at this point Liberty Mutual, and it's $1 million worth of liability protection. And you do have the option to purchase physical damage coverage and a bunch of other things. I looked over it briefly on their website, not a whole lot of actual insurance terminology or policy language there. So it's definitely going to be something that if you are considering this, you're going to want to talk to your insurance agent. Maybe sit down with them, give us a call, and let us look over the actual policy that Turo can provide and what your current policy excludes or doesn't exclude, so we can kind of determine where there are, if any, gaps that need to be filled with regard to coverage. It's very important to be upfront with your insurance agent. Again, if you ever have any questions, if there's any technologies that I don't know about yet that you're considering or wondering about, please feel free to give me a call anytime. Shoot me an email, send us a message here. Thank you so much for watching Ask Woody Wednesday, where every single Wednesday I answer your insurance questions. My goal, our mission as the Roads Group, is to empower you with the knowledge that's going to make you dangerous when it comes to the insurance marketplace. Please feel free to share this video with anyone and everyone you know. Like it, send it, whatever. Thanks so much. See you next week.